Hey yo, how's it going, guys? And today we are, as I told you in the last video, our goal was 75 subscribers, and I also told you that we are going to do a special edition today, okay? So, before we get to the special edition, we have one special sponsor here. My mom. So she can see the thing on action. So as I told you, I'm gonna do something really hard, and it's this. So as you see, one minute. There. So as you see, I think you can get a closer view. I mean, why not if you can? Okay. So as you see, so we're doing this pistol edition. I'm going to be using this gun, trying to hit this. Okay. Well, let's do it. This is a special edition, guys. If I hit it on first try, just overflow with subscribers. I don't know. Yo, I just got it on first try. Oh my goodness. Yo, I just got it on first try, guys. Right now, I'm too happy. We're gonna try this again. With lights on. Try to get it on first try again. This pistol edition, it looks like has been a very good addition for us, because I got it on first try all the time so far. So yeah, that'll just be one great help. Where's the bullet? 1 minute. Pistol, bullet, leap of faith. Here we go. Guys, I don't know how. Did you see it was right here? It moved out of your sight, guys. Yo! Yo, that's crazy. Okay, guys, so the pistol edition is officially done. We might do some other videos, but special edition, pistol edition. Love you guys. Cool Airs is out for you guys. I'll air some new cool videos. That's how it explains it. So, chill. Bye.